So once again, good morning students. Today we will discuss cell division, its types and complete process takes place in the mitosis. Okay. So what is cell division? First of all, you should know what is cell division. So cell division is a process by which new cells arise from the existing cell. Existing cells. It is a process. Okay. So now this cell division is of two types. Cell division कितना टाइप्स का है बेटा? दो टाइप्स. Number one is called mitosis. Number second is called meiosis. Meiosis is also called reductional division. Reductional division. Okay, in which chromosome become half. Now, this mitosis and meiosis are the two methods by which cells of our body is divided. Now, in the mitosis and meiosis, this in the cell division here, actually name is given cell division, but cell division takes place in two steps. Number one is called karyokinesis. Cell division takes place, or here mitosis, so you can also write here all the cell division takes place in two steps. Number one is called what? Karyokinesis. Karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means karyon का मतलब क्या आपको बताएं? न्यूक्लियस. So nucleus mainly divide and kinesis मतलब क्या होगा? Divide होगा. So first of all, this is the major part of the cell division is karyokinesis, and when the nucleus divided, then second part cytokinesis takes place. So cytokinesis. Okay, so cell division takes place in two steps, beta. Number one is called karyokinesis, in which nucleus of the cells divide, and after that cytoplasm divide. That process is called what? Cytokinesis. Now come to see how do cells divide by the process of mitosis. Okay, first of all we will study about how the cells divide by the process of mitosis. Now in the mitosis, see, cell cycle, any cell lives in two cycles, two stages. Number one stage is called what? Resting stage or interphase. Cell exists in two phases. Number first is called what? Resting stage, or it is also called interphase. Interphase. And second steps in the cell cycle is what? Dividing stage. Dividing stage. This resting stage, in the resting stage, cells do not divide, but what are the various things like DNA, RNA, proteins which are not present, which are less in number, they are making that all the cells. So that takes place in the resting stage. This डिवाइडिंग स्टेज बेटा, डिवाइडिंग स्टेज जो है वो कितना स्टेप में होगा? टू स्टेप्स में होगा. सो नंबर वन आपको क्या बताएं? दिस टेक्स प्लेस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द सेल्स डिवाइड, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? karyokinesis. And second one is cytokinesis. See, karyokinesis in the mitosis. In the case of mitosis, Karyokinesis takes place in the 4 steps. Number 1 is called what? Prophase. First stage is called what? Prophase. Second one is called metaphase. Third one is called anaphase. And fourth one is called telophase. And after telophase क्या होगा? Cytokinesis takes place. Okay, cytokinesis हो जाएगा. So first of all, the cells. This is the cell cycle. Cell exists in two form, two stages. One is called resting stage, and second one is dividing stage. So in the resting stage is also called interphase. In this, what happens? This resting phase is also divided into many stages like gap 1 phase, synthesis phase, and gap 2 phase, in which DNA, RNA, and proteins are synthesized. Okay. In this resting phase, क्या बनेगा? In this phase, gap 1 G1 phase कहलाता है. This interphase G1 phase है. Second S phase है. And then क्या है? G2 phase है. इस 3 फेज में रहता है. गैप 1 में क्या बनाएगा? डीएनए एंड आरएनए बनाएगा. एस में प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस करेगा. एंड जी2 में क्या करेगा? फिर अपना ये डीएनए वगैरह बनाता है. डीएनए एंड आरएनए को बनाता है. तो ये जब इसका कंप्लीट हो जाए, दैट when the cells completed the resting stage means how much DNA, how much proteins, RNA they are needed. When all the things are ready, then cells get fully mature, and after mature it comes into the dividing stage. In dividing stage, first of all क्या divide करेगा? Nucleus, that is called karyokinesis. And karyokinesis में क्या होगा बेटा? पहला सबसे पहले क्या होगा? Prophase, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टेलोफेज. जब टेलोफेज आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड करके और 2 सेल्स बन जाएगा. सो यू कम टू नो व्हाट आर द वेरियस प्रोसेस और events takes place during the prophase. So first step is prophase. In the prophase, first of all क्या होगा? Nuclear membrane starts to degenerate. Nuclear membrane starts to degenerate. Second, nucleolus start to disappear. Nucleolus starts to disappear. Third, centrosome divides. सेंट्रोसोम जो है क्या होगा? सेंट्रोसोम डिवाइड कर जाएगा, divides and start to move on the opposite pole. अपोजिट पोल की ओर मूव करने लगेगा. उसके बाद क्रोमेटिन स्टार्ट टू कंडेंसेट. Chromatin condensate and become short and thick like chromosome. Chromatin starts to condensate and becomes visible. आपको क्रोमोसोम विजिबल हो जाएगा. क्यों विजिबल हो जाएगा? बिकॉज क्रोमोसोम बिकम शॉर्ट एंड थिक ड्यू टू थिक एंड शॉर्ट क्रोमोसोम. Okay, so these are the various events takes place during the prophase. You have noticed that any cell like this is there is a cell I am making. Inside their nucleus is there. In this nucleus you have studied, it is bounded by double membrane. ओके एंड वन क्या प्रेजेंट है यहाँ, सेंट्रोसोम. सेंट्रोसोम. तो सबसे पहले, और यहाँ क्या प्रेजेंट है बेटा, न्यूक्लियोलस एंड क्रोमेटिन इज थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर यू हैव सीन देयर. देन ड्यूरिंग प्रोफेज क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस सेंट्रोसोम विच इज सेंट्रोसोम, ये जो है इसके अंदर में दो ग्रेन्यूल सेंट्रियोल्स प्रेजेंट होता है. सो सेंट्रियोल्स एक मूव करेगा, एक सेंट्रियोल्स दिस साइड एंड एक सेंट्रियोल इस साइड. तो एक सेंट्रियोल कहाँ आ गया, यहाँ आ गया, और एक यहाँ आ गया, मीन्स अपोजिट पोल पर आ गया. एक नॉर्थ पोल है देन एक साउथ पोल पर आ गया. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, दिस जो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन है बेटा, ये क्या हो जाने लगेगा, डिजेनरेट हो जाएगा. एंड न्यूक्लियोलस ये भी क्या हो जाएगा, डिसअपियर. न्यूक्लियोलस आल्सो डिसअपियर हुआ. एंड ये क्रोमैटिन जो है वो क्या होगा, ये कंडेंसेट करके शॉर्ट एंड थिक दिखने लगेगा. इस तरह से क्रोमोसोम जैसा स्ट्रक्चर ये दिखने लगेगा. ठीक है. सो दिस हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग द प्रोफेज. बोथ द सेंट्रियोल्स has reached on the opposite pole. और अपोजिट पोल पर जाकर के क्या बनाने लगेगा, स्पिंडल का भी फॉर्मेशन है. पहले मूव करेगा, यहाँ पर मूव ही कर रहा है, एंड देन इन द मेटाफेज क्या करेगा, ये स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन करेगा. एंड अभी आ जाते हैं सेकेंड फेज में, दैट इज मेटाफेज. प्रोफेज के बाद सेकेंड स्टेप जो है सेल न्यूकैरियोकाइनेसिस मींस डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, मेटाफेज. मेटाफेज. So in the metaphase, what happens? The spindle which has reached to the opposite pole, this is the centrioles. The centrioles which has reached to the opposite pole, they start to form क्या बना लेगा, spindle fiber. क्या है बेटा, a spindle fiber. This is a spindle fiber. And this condensation process is going on, due to which the chromosome becomes short and thick and it completely looks like chromosome. You have seen that chromosome is like this. They have one centromere by which it has क्या रखा रहेगा, chromatids रहेगा. So here I am taking only four chromosomes we are taking. Different animals have different number of chromosomes. So 4 chromosome I am saying because in the metaphase this chromosomes get attached to the, in the metaphase क्या होता है, chromosomes are arranged on the equatorial plane. So this this 4 chromosome I am saying, they are attaching to a spindle fiber is attaching on the equatorial plane. See, this spindle fiber is attaching with the किसके साथ, इस central part क्या कहलाता है, centrosome. So centrosome. Okay. So this spindle fiber जो हो गया वो क्या चीज से attached हो गया है, centrosomes से. So in the metaphase, what you have noticed, the centrioles which have reached to the opposite poles, centrioles which has reached to the opposite pole, they start to form a spindle fiber, and chromosomes arranged on the equatorial plane. This is the equator. This is north pole, this is south pole. So all the chromosomes are arranged on the equatorial plane. Okay. And a spindle fiber generated by centrosome, ये क्या है बेटा, यहाँ centrosome है, centrioles. So this is a spindle fiber. So a spindle fiber is attached with the centrosome. Clear? So this happens mainly in the metaphase. After metaphase, third steps क्या आएगा, anaphase. Anaphase में क्या होगा, see this is centrioles, here also centrioles, and spindles first of all you see here, this is what beta, ये क्या है, सेंट्रोसोम है, and this centrosome एक क्रोमैटिड्स है. So in the late metaphase, this centrosome जो ये बीच वाला जो portion है, they are breaking into two parts. Here from here it is breaking into two parts. So one portion means it is breaking into two parts and it giving like a structure, this like a structure. Okay. So one upper parts of this chromosome is going towards the north pole and lower portion is will come towards the south pole. Okay. So like this process happens here in the late metaphase. Centrosome, first of all, this centrosome जो है वो क्या होगा, breaks कर जाएगा, and due to which the chromosome starts to pulling towards the opposite pole. Okay, this spindle fiber, a spindle fiber short, the spindle fibers is getting shortened, so that's why this the chromosome is pulling. This is north pole, this is south pole, so that they are pulling towards the opposite pole. This is the main features of the anaphase, that on both chromosomes are going start to moving towards the opposite pole. In the late anaphase, you will find that they are starting to reaching to the opposite pole. Here you can make figure like here. So this is the figure of late anaphase, in which the chromosome is reaching to the opposite pole. Okay, so this is the figure. This spindle fiber is shortening, and due to shortening of the spindle fiber, this chromosome is pulling towards the opposite pole. That happens in the anaphase. Now, at the end of anaphase, all this chromosome will reach to the opposite pole here. Now, come to the last phase of the cell division, that is called telophase. In the telophase, क्या होगा बेटा? Telophase is the opposite of the prophase. At the end of starting here, in the early telophase, this chromosome will be कहाँ आ जाएगा? This chromosome कहाँ पहुंच जाएगा? End पर आ जाएगा. Okay, ये chromosome कहाँ आ गया है? End पर आ गया. You can make like here. Here also, this also has reached to the pole. Approximately pole पर पहुंच चुका है. Okay, so when the chromosomes reach to the pole, means opposite pole, then all the opposite process takes place. It happens opposite of the prophase. क्या होगा? At the both end, nuclear membrane is start to form. Nuclear membrane बनना चालू हो जाएगा. Like this, nuclear membrane is forming. Then after the formation of nuclear membrane, nucleolus also reach. Nucleolus भी बनने लगेगा. क्रोमोसोम तो यहाँ आ ही पहुंचा है. Nucleolus भी formation हो जाएगा. At the same reaction here also will take place. Nuclear membrane का formation होने लगा. After the formation of this nuclear membrane, formation of nucleolus takes place, and spindles वगैरह जो degenerate हुआ. Okay, and in the on the both sides, this process means two nucleus is formed here. So from the one nucleus, you have noticed that two nucleus is formed. That happens in the total 4 steps. First step was the prophase. Second step was the metaphase. Third was the anaphase, and fourth was the telophase, in which two nucleus is formed. And the second part of the cell division is called what? Cytokinesis. When these two nucleus will form there, then क्या बनेगा बेटा? Cytokinesis होगा, in which this cell membrane from both sides, this cell membrane start to form constriction. Ab now you see, look, cell is like this, cell membrane is like this. But what happened when both the nucleus will form? Then it start to form constriction. See, there is constriction. This side also constriction start. After again, this constriction is increasing from the both side. This constriction is increasing. It will also increase. And finally, this both constriction divides the cell into completely 2 cells. Now these two cells has formed. These two cells are called daughter cells. इसको क्या कहेंगे? Daughter cell. This daughter cell, two cells has formed here from the one cell. So like this cell division takes place. Like this cell division takes place by the process of mitosis. See, mitosis takes place in our body or in all the organisms only in the somatic cells. Means somatic cells means the cells of all cells of your body, only two that is producing gamete. One is testis and another one is ovary. These two organs, ovary in the female and testis in the male, they divide by the process of meiosis, in which chromosomes number will be half to the parent cell. Here you have seen in the beginning, I have told you we are taking 4 chromosome only. So in the both cells, this cells also 4 chromosome, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes are present. So the cells which is dividing by mitosis have same number of chromosome as the parent cell have. This is the main feature of the mitosis. So write 2, 3 features of the mitosis. What is the that is important? क्या होगा बेटा? Mitosis. This division takes place in mitosis takes place in कहाँ होगा? Takes place in somatic cell. Somatic cells means muscle cells, nerve cell, blood cell, bone cell, cartilage cells. These all cells divide by the process of mitosis. In the mitosis, the two cells are formed from a single cell. Two daughter cells you can write. Two daughter cells are formed. Two daughter cells are formed from a parent cell. From a parent cell. Third point, the number of chromosome is same in the daughter cell as the parent cell. Number of chromosome is same in the daughter cell as the parent cell. So number of cells are same. For example, in our body, 23 pairs are there. So one cells, suppose this is a cell which have 23 pair chromosomes. When it will divide, it will form two cells which also contains 23 pair. So number of chromosome remains same as the parent cell. Okay. So these are the main features of the mitosis. Okay, go.
પછી પ્રથમ